Hey guys, that's welcome back. My name is Yan Sikorski. Today I want to share with you a couple of my ideas for the next market sessions. Let's start with euro dollar. In euro dollar, I would recommend you wait how price will react for important resistance level around 1.18. If you can see how price with an impulsive from breakout of this important resistance level, you can long this currency pair with the price target around 1.19. Also, if you can see how price formed some sort of reversal model or false breakout of this important resistance level, you can short this currency pair with the price target around 1.17. Another idea in the Netflix stocks. I'm still bullish in Netflix, and I want to recommend you long these stocks after false breakout of for $90 per share level with the price target around $5.20, $5.30 per share. Another idea in ADT stock. Here we can see how price right now inside important support level around $13 per share. That's why you have to wait how price will break for this level for sure, but like 80% probability of price from breakout of this level, and then after breakout of this level you can short these stocks with a price target around $12 per share or $11 per share. And the last recommendation what I want to give you, this is Pinterest stocks. If you're looking on a higher time frame, like let me show you. If we're looking on a higher time frame like daily, we can see how price right now stay inside important resistance level around $36.50 per share. And also we can see how price on the previous trading session from false breakout of this level. And that's why I wanna say, if you can see a price for hold below $36 per share, it will be a nice opportunity to take a short in these stocks with the price target around $33 or $31 per share. Well, this is all for today. Hope you enjoy, guys, and hope this recommendation will help you to make money on the next trading session. See you in the next videos. Bye.